What does green dot mean on Snapchat? Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys about the green dot that you see on the profile on your Snapchat. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Let's jump right in. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is open up my Snapchat. And as you can see, there are people down who have this green dot right besides their profile. That means that these people have recently been active on the Snapchat. So that basically indicates, that is basically the activity indicator of Snapchat. So if you see the green dot besides any profile on Snapchat, then that means they have been active recently on Snapchat, and it is also a good way to know if you have texted someone but they haven't replied but they still have the green dot, then that probably means they are intentionally ignoring your text messages or snaps. So that is what it basically means when you have a green dot right besides your profile. It basically indicates that they are active right now or have recently been active. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. I will see you next time.